Okay, here you have two openings. So one is for the oil filter. The other one
Interessiert den das, meinst du?
is where the oil get out, where you drain it. Okay, taking the filter out. Straight down. Here's the oil filter. This O-ring, original Rolls-Royce, $26. And here comes the brand new filter. Easy to screw it in.
Da hat er wieder einer. Richtig gut.
Okay, and now it will come probably a big mess draining out the oil. Right now nothing comes out.
Ja. Change the tool. Geht nicht. Jetzt ist das genau so. Wenn das da reinfällt, dann fällt es unten rein und dann ist es weg. Dann wischen wir halt den Boden mal wieder.
And very straight and easy the old oil comes out. So we drained out the 11 quarts of oil, putting the plug back on. Surprisingly how easy everything is on a Rolls-Royce. I think a lot of domestic car manufacturer should use them as an example how easy you can make it. Okay, both the same. That are the covers. And the security screw. So we are done downstairs. Now just put in the oil in. It's 11 liter or 11 quarts, probably 11.5 quarts.